Let's look at how to create a business profile on WhatsApp Business app. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots and select Settings. So then tap on Business Settings. Then Profile. This is a profile page basically. So to edit this page, or tap on the pencil at the top right corner. Here you get to add your business information. For example, your business address, your category, your tagline, business hours, email, website, and more. So we can go ahead and set a business address here. So I'm going to enter my business address here. So the other way for you to do it, to enter your business address easily, is by tapping on this Set Location on Map button. But then you have to be located at your business, because once you tap on this button, you will immediately take your current location as your business address. So since I'm not at my office right now, I'm just going to manually enter my business address. Then you can set your category. So mine is education. You can set anything that you want that's related to your business, or you can even select not a business on top. Then you can set your line here and your business hours here. So let's tap on schedule. So let's select our opening hours. Either you can select open for selected hours, always open, or by appointment only. So generally, you're going to select the first one, open for selected hours. So I'm going to select Monday to Friday, 9 to 6, as usual. You can clear it if you want to redo everything. Otherwise, you should just tap on the back button. So it's all done for my business hours. Then I can enter my email address, which I already entered, as well as my website. And you can add another website if you want to. Once that is all done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner. So that's it. So now you have your first business profile on WhatsApp.